Hey you guys, what's up? So today we are going to be doing a pinky kind of daytime look and taking that look and transforming it into a nighttime pinky kind of look. So yeah, I am going to be using a lot of products that I've received in PR today, and we are going to be featuring a new Moda brush set in today's video. Speaking of Moda brushes though, you guys, I am doing a giveaway, but one lucky winner will receive my personal favorite Moda brush kit, which is the Bold Artistry kit. I'm also going to be including this little Moda travel bag as well. This kit is 100% vegan and cruelty free, and this kit comes with 3 oval brushes, 3 flat brushes, 2 angle brushes, and 4 liner brushes. I do a lot of intricate, detailed kind of looks, and this kit is perfect for that. So yeah, if you want to know how you can win this Moda brush kit, head on over to my Instagram, give it a follow, and yeah, I'll be posting all the details there. Without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. Okay, so before we get started, I want to show off this new Moda brush set. It is so adorable, and we will be using it throughout this whole video, so I wanted to go ahead and show it off now. So this is the Moda Brush Posh Pastel 13-piece base kit, you guys, and it is so adorable. These brushes are so cute. So you pull it out, and it comes in this super cute zip-up holographic kind of travel kit. And inside are all of the adorable Flower Power brushes. And these are just so cute. All right, so to prep the skin and get it ready for this daytime kind of look, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Hydrating Oil. And this is a new product for me. I got it in this month's July BoxyCharm Premium box. Just gonna apply a little bit to the face and just kind of rub it in. And so far I'm really liking it. It smells good. It leaves my face with a not oily kind of look, but a just healthy, glowy, dewy kind of look. This is the Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer, and this is in the shade MN3. And I am not a big tinted moisturizer kind of girl. I'm very full coverage, but this stuff right here is really good. And it also makes the skin look very healthy, glowy, and yeah, just really nice. All right, so next we're gonna go in with Makeup Revolution's concealer. They sent me this concealer the other day and I've only used it once and I absolutely loved it. They sent over 3 shades, but the one that I feel works best for my skin tone is C0.7. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of this to the under eye area. You guys, these concealers come in 50 shades, so there is a shade for everyone, and they are vegan and cruelty-free. All right, so now I'm going to set the under eye area as well as the T-zone area using my Beauty Bakery Flower Setting Powder. You guys, I absolutely love this setting powder. It is like my new go-to favorite. It minimizes the pores, sets everything really nicely. I just love it so much. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with my NARS Orgasm Blush. This is my newest blush that I have received in PR, and I'm just using this Moda brush and just doing a light application. Now I'm just gonna apply a little bit of bronzer just to kind of warm the face up just a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and set the face using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set Setting Spray. And this stuff, oh, I cannot say enough good things about this product. I absolutely love it. It smells so good, you guys, and it works. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the $1 Billion Brows on Point Micro Brow Pencil, and I'm just gonna do my brows. I'm just doing a nice, natural, kind of fluffy brow. This is probably the best brow pencil that I've tried in a while, just because the product really applies effortlessly. There's a lot of brow pencils that are harder and you have to press and try to get those hair-like strokes and it just doesn't work. But this, you can just kind of barely flick in your brow and it really works. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the Norvina Volume 1 ABH palette. I recently just received this in PR as well, and we're just gonna create a nice daytime kind of look, or at least my version of a daytime look. Might not be for everybody. All right, so I started off with C1 and applied that to my brow bone. Now I'm taking a mixture of C1 and E2 and applying that into the crease. I took the shade E1 and applied that all over the lid. Then I took C2, which is that gold, applied that into the inner corner. And now we are taking a tiny bit of C4 and I'm just applying that to the outer corner of the eye. Okay, so for this pinky daytime look, I'm gonna go ahead and do a white liner just to kind of open everything up. And then we'll do something different with the nighttime look. Okay, so I'm going to apply these Lashaholic lashes. These are in the style Kiss Me, and these might be dramatic for some, but honestly, for myself, this is more of a daytime kind of lash. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these to my eyes. While the lash glue gets a little bit tacky, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lip. This is Hank & Henry's Love You So Much, and I'm going to just kind of very lightly apply this to my lips, and then we're gonna put a gloss on top. I'm not gonna do any crazy overlining or anything like that. I wanna keep this very dainty, very cute, very daytime. And then this is Hank & Henry's Orale Lip Luster. Let's go ahead and apply these lashes now that the glue has gotten a little bit tacky. And here is my version of a daytime kind of look, staying true to the color, because y'all know I cannot do the neutrals. I'm sorry, I can't. But yeah. So let's transform this look into a nighttime look. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these off because we are gonna do a way more dramatic lash. And then I am going to take this off. So I'm gonna take a little bit of C4 to start out and just place that on the outer portion of the eye. I'm just using the same Norvina palette for this nighttime look as well. Now I'm taking D5 and just placing that on the outer corner as well. I'm taking a little bit of that Makeup Revolution concealer and just applying it as a base for the shadows that will go down next. So now I'm just taking a little C4 and A5, and those are going on the lid. Now I'm taking B3, and that's going on the lid as well. Now to finish up this lid, I'm taking C2 and E1 and kind of mixing those two together and placing them on the inner corner of my eye. Lining my eye with a black eyeliner this time around. And then I'm just going to smoke that out using the same shades we started out with. Okay, so now I'm just going to kind of make that bronzer more pronounced again. And we're also going to apply some highlight. All right, so I'm going to apply some Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight. This is a new product as well that I received in the BoxyCharm Premium box. And this is in the shade Peach Fizz. I'm gonna apply some Beat Gang lashes. These are way more dramatic than the lashes that we had on for the daytime look. And I absolutely love this brand. I actually know the owner personally. We went to high school together, so that's pretty cool. And if you want to get some Beat Gang lashes, be sure to use my code Bria for some money off. She is absolutely doing her thing with this company, you guys. So be sure to go show some love and check her website out. I'm sure you'll find something that you absolutely love. These are in the style De Niro. Okay, so now I'm just gonna line my lip using the Steve Laurent lip pencil in the shade Vogue. And that is the final nighttime kind of look. You guys, if you like this video, I can do different versions of it with different colors. Just drop what color you want me to do next in the comments below. We can do blues, we can do purples, we could do anything. So yeah, if you guys like this video, I can kind of make it into a YouTube series here on my channel. But yeah, that is my version of a daytime pinky kind of vibe. Transformation into a nighttime pinky kind of vibe. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.